We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
A 10,000 BTU machine costs 10p an hour to run, 12,000 units cost 12p, and so on. Although many will consider a decent night's sleep to be priceless, 2 machines running solidly for a week will cost £33.60, not an inconsiderable sum.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent. Be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.